Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize all your product images to the same size on Shopify. If you've been struggling with inconsistent product photos that look mismatched or uneven, don't worry. This is a very common issue for store owners. Consistent image sizing doesn't just make your store look more professional, it also creates a smoother shopping experience and helps your products stand out in a clean, organized layout. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the simplest way to fix this problem directly from Shopify without using any external tools or editing software. So take a quick moment to get comfortable, grab a cup of coffee if you'd like, and let's get started. First, open your Shopify store's site editor. This is where most design-related adjustments take place. Once you've entered the editor, navigate to your collection section. This is the area where many people notice that their product images come in different sizes, shapes, or aspect ratios. When images don't match, it can create visual clutter and make the store look inconsistent, even if everything else is perfectly designed. Go ahead and click on the collection you want to customize. Once you select it, a menu will appear on the left side of your screen. This panel is basically your control center for that section. Inside, you'll see a list of options that let you adjust layout, spacing, text, and most importantly, your image settings. Now, scroll through the settings until you find the image ratio dropdown. This is the key feature that will instantly make your product images uniform. Click on the dropdown and you'll see several ratio options such as square, portrait, and adapt. Choosing one of these will tell Shopify how to automatically crop and resize your product images so they appear consistent across your entire collection. For example, selecting square will force all images into a clean, even square shape. Choosing portrait will create a taller, more vertical look. Shopify handles all the adjustments automatically, so you don't need to manually upload new images or edit them one by one. It saves a ton of time and keeps everything visually aligned. Once you've chosen the image ratio you prefer, don't forget to hit Save. This is the step that applies your changes to the live store. After saving, refresh your storefront and take a look at your collection. You should see that all your product images now share the same size and shape, giving your store a polished, consistent appearance that feels more professional and visually appealing. One thing to keep in mind is that the amount of customization available can vary depending on the theme you're using. Some themes offer more flexibility with image ratios and layout controls, while others keep it simple with fewer options. If you feel limited or want a more customizable design in the future, you may want to explore different themes that provide more control over visual elements. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed the look of your Shopify store and made your product images clean, consistent, and easier for customers to browse. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy selling.